will be filing this nail, which is due to refill. This is my tungsten carbide drill bit, football shape I called it. It's quite long, so it doesn't go in a handpiece all the way, but I have no trouble with that, where you have to probably watch it, because I believe some nail technicians do work with drill bit fully pushed into the handpiece. Recommended to use rather on a high speed, because doesn't leave that squeaky sound, which on a lower speed it can make that squeaky sound, which personally I'm not a big fan of. My electric foil 35,000 RPMs, and I do use it on pretty much very high speed. So that's very high speed. About halfway I get high speed and with no pressure. So let's do it. This is a gel polish. On the free edge, it still leaves a squeaky sound. Oh. A little bit hard to stay in the screen. I will be making videos as I go on my clients. It doesn't heat up, very easy and quick. I can move around. So if I to do a refill, it's done. Now the other advantage I believe of these drill bits, this round shape, if you noticed, I'm left-handed, and for me it's very difficult to shorten nails as much as I love barrel shapes. They are very difficult to have a right angle to shorten the nail. Sometimes it slightly catches and it scares me and definitely my client, where with these cone or football shapes I found there is no issues with that whatsoever. I can have it at any angle and it's never catches, which all of a sudden and pretty can be slightly scary and sudden. So when I need to shorten my nail, I just go like that straight across, slightly underneath if I need to have something rather not very square shape, and we're done. So that's a football shape.